Hey guys, it's Mistress Fisher here, and today I am playing Flood Escape 2 again. I just wanted to make this like a series thing because I thought it would be cool, but hopefully it gets good comments, and hopefully this series does well. If you guys can hear in the background, that's rain. Guys, Dwayne Wade just got just signed with the Cavs. He signed with the Cavs to join LeBron. Well, I mean, I guess LeBron has D Wade now. Well, I mean, he's had him before, but like, still, he now has him again. So that's good for LeBron. Not for any other NBA team like the Warriors. That's bad for them because they not been doing a bunch this year. No. Oh man. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. All right, hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. I had to just join a different server for some reason. Something was happening. Oh, that's the dude. That's the dude from last time. Guess 9230. I remember him from last video. He dance. Yeah, look at me. Look at me, looking like that. Alright, let's just watch people. Okay, so they're automatically gonna die. Cause alright. Oh, actually they made it, so it's good for them. Wait, is this a hard level? Oh no, it's a hard level. You're kidding me. Oh jeez, no, that's yep, that was hard. That was hard. That was really hard. Ooh, I got a new follower. That's cool. You hear the rain in the background of my dogs. Just ignore them. Oh wait, I can buy a noob. I'm gonna buy a noob. Let's get a noob. Yeah. Right, I got a noob now. Woohoo! Noob. Wait, I want to see if he'll dance if I dance. No, he doesn't sing. Right, let's go, noob. Tap that. Go here. Just wait. I think someone made it on hard. Cause this is hard. Alright, noob. Ready? We're gonna call him Jimmy. So from now on, everybody that we get is gonna be named Jimmy. Everyone is dying. Come on, guys. Oh, jeez, no. We're about to die. Dang it! Dang it! Alright. Let's just hurry up. Go. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a second. What's up, guys? I'm back. Where's Jimmy? Better be following us. Oh, I saw him behind me. We're good. Never mind, Jimmy's with us. Jimmy's still alive. He's good. No, I messed up. Spacebar. Gotta work. Hold on. Here. Oh, acid. Dang it. I'm gonna die. Ugh. Man. Alright, at least I know I might go inside the next round. There we go. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we're about to go into another game. We're just watching this guess. Oh, he almost made it! Oh my gosh! Bro. Dude, that must be like, that's hard. Alright, come on, noob. Hey, at least I have someone I know that's with me. My noob. Alright, not noob, sorry, Jared. Let's go, Jay. Or Jimmy. Oh, that's about to die. Oh, I'm about to die. No, I died. How? How did I die on that? Alright, let's go here. Alright. I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm just watching Nike Boy. Just make it. Alright, well, next one. Please be the one I love. Dang it. It's not. Oh, it's the one that I don't even like that much. Where is anyone? Yeah, that person's gonna go. Click that button. Jump off. Here, touch that. Come back. Jump up here. Go over here. Climb up the ladder because someone pressed the button. Jump. Go across. Oh, wait, no. Take a jump. 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 Go over here. Go over here. This one's pretty easy. It's just kind of like, eh. Alright, let's see. Jump, 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 jump. Go over here. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. Stay here. Just wait for them. You can press it. Anyone gonna press that? Oh no, they better hurry up. Hurry up guys, come on. Oh no. Dang it. Wow guys. Go, 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 go. Yeah. How are you still alive? Here, I'll see you guys in a sec. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Back on track. Don't be surprised if I'm still singing. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on. Oh, wait, I forgot to. Right, get the button. Someone press the button! Oh my gosh! Someone finally pressed the button. But of course, I'm the only one that dies. Wow! Wow! Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a second. Yes, guys! This is my favorite level right here. This is my favorite level because it's so easy. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Oh, no. Jump. Press it. Go down. And we Gucci. Alright, go over here. And then jump over there. Just keep running because I'm going to the bridge. And then just keep running. Backwards, back, make it. And then, yeah, we're done. We survived. We survived. Sorry for that pause, guys. But yeah, we survived. We survived. Come on. Come. Yeah, he deserves to die. Alright. No. Take the shadow off the back. Go. Okay. Go here. Go here. Jump. Wait. Is there even someone getting in? I don't like this one because I always die. No, I've never pressed the button up here before. Not gonna happen again. No, I just said, okay. Well, I'm not gonna press any buttons. Just wait. Here we go. Jump up on that tree. Hey, you there. Oh my gosh, I missed the jump. Well, I'm a noob, just like my partner. My partner is a noob, just like me. Oh, jeez. It's lava. Oh, you died. Right. Well, 70 experience, still pretty good. Oh, I don't want to play that. going anyways. I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm all by myself doing this. A lot of pressure's on me. I'm not gonna be able to do this. I am a noob. I'm a nub. You guys know me. I can't make jumps because I'm trash. I'm garbage. I'm booty butt garbage. Alright, well, see you guys next. Hey guys, I'm back, and this dude just made it. And yep, what? Don't know. I didn't press the button. I'm such a nub. A nubbity nub. Ah, man. I don't know how I'm level 4. Don't ask. Is anyone else playing? Oh, I lost connection. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. Found a different server. Yeah, so let's get this grind on. I want to get to my goal for this year. On the end of this year, I want to get to level 10 at least. Just level 10. That's all I'm asking. Oh, I've never played this one before. Looks like a hard one. Wait, hold on. Am I dead? Yep. Just stay in the pool. Just gonna stay in the pool. Come on. Wait, ready guys? Oh, no. Okay, the water's rising. 15, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I'm dead. Okay. Alright, looks like most people are still alive. Here, I'll come back in a second. As you guys can see, those people survived. Looks like they're like, I don't know, like pros. Is there anyone else alive? 4 of them are in. One of them isn't. Well, I want to play. Come on, let me play. Who else is still alive? Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. This is the same level as last time. And of course, no one helps here. On to easy. Oh my gosh. But someone get the other button. Right. Oh my gosh, I'm stupid. Wow. Just wow. Give me a round of applause, please. I hate this one. I always fail. It's so hard because the water rises up really fast. Oh wait, no. Actually, no. This one's the easy one. Kapow! Oh, I almost made it. Hey, what's up? Which we don't know. If you guys hear my mom and my sister, don't worry about it. Because it looks like I'll be the last one again. Whoop. Take your time, guys. Take your time. There we go. Next one. Oh no, it's a hard one. This is a really hard one. This is how people do this one. And it looked like it was really hard. Oh no. Well, you know what, guys? I think I'm just gonna end it here. Because my game's freezing a lot. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new and slam the like button. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.